What's up, everybody? Got the old Raptor 700 here. Shout out NiceCNC. They sent me some free parts. I call them upgrades. Let's see what y'all think. They got a lot of Raptor stuff. Let's see what they sent us. So they allowed me to pick a few products for my Raptor 700. And I made a deal with them that I really needed these bolts, but I wasn't going to install them on my 700. I just need them around the shop. They got like a whole Raptor bolt kit with these. I don't know if it's anodized or electroplated heads. Really nice looking metric bolt kit. So we're not going to put that on the bike, but guys, they have it on there, and I'm going to use it for miscellaneous stuff around here. You know, we're always putting hardware on stuff. The first thing I picked, the aluminum or the billet radiator overflow, oil thermostat, and the clear cam cover, guys. Get up in there. Kind of going through these one at a time. Really excited about that. Guys, this is a definite upgrade. You've got your aluminum or billet overflow bottle. Now, you know I'm a Yamaha guy, and I love them. But I gotta say, putting a plastic overflow bottle right there just doesn't seem cool to me, man. I ride, rocks could hit it, sticks could hit it. Lots of times I see these when I get one and they're cracked when I buy a used one. So this is gonna look a heck of a lot better and be a lot sturdier. So we're gonna swap this one out first. Then we're gonna put on our cam cap. This dipstick ought to be super easy. So first thing I'm gonna do is take this bottle, I'm gonna pull this line off, and I'm gonna drain that coolant into this water bottle, because I don't wanna mix coolant on this thing, and then I can put it back in this overflow bottle when we're done. Maybe add a little bit to it, I guess I'm gonna have to. So I just stuck the hose in there in case it had some in it. And we'll just let it drain right out. We'll use that later on. Now we got a hose on the top, but we'll get it off once we remove these two number 10s. Put her on low, this plastic. I assume it'll dangle there by that hose in case something happens. You know, I could use this on this mini truck build we're doing, actually. Here, make sure you get a good clamp on it. Start our screws, nice and gentle. Turn her down a little bit. Okay, now we got one hose to install here. And Bob's your uncle, she's installed. Now you just gotta impossibly fill it back up. Well, we're already right here. We've got our billet thermostat for our oil temperature. NiceCNC. While we're in here, check that oil. Nice and clean, nice and full. This bad boy's will go in right here. This turns freely from the cap, which is really freaking neat, dude. I was just wondering about that. We got a thermostat down there to peek at. All right, better already. Now the third part. Gonna need you 8 mil in a rag for this. That way you have less oil to deal with. Tappy tap. Okay, make sure that your maintenance surface doesn't have some grinding on it. You can kind of wipe this lip out here. And your new one, it's got a brand new O-ring right there. Gonna go on just like this. Boom, you've got your 2 8 mils. Remember to do it nice and gentle for starters. Get them both started. And there she is. Now, that ought to look pretty cool. Let's test it out and find out. Key on. Let's fire this old girl up. They sell swing arms. I mean, swing arm skids, everything. There y'all go. Oh yeah. Guys, jump on there. I'm gonna drop a link. I'm gonna drop their website here. I'm gonna drop it in a link in the description. NiceCNC. They've really got a lot of stuff for your Raptor 700. And they have stuff for other quads too. So, oh, my drill walkie. They got stuff for other quads too. So, hop on there and look. They'll probably have what you need. They also, I wouldn't say these are performance parts. I guess if that overflow bottle's a little larger, that could add some performance benefits. Being able to monitor your oil temperature never hurts anybody. But they also have some go fast parts on there too, so y'all be sure and check them out. Get up in there, guys. I appreciate it. What's up, guys? You jump on NiceCNC.com and use promo code JH11. Check it out. There's a lot of parts on there. You get 11% off your whole order. You guys jump on the website and check it out. They got a lot more parts other than just for Raptors. Lots of machines are represented on there very well. So get up in there, give us a like, subscribe, share to your friends. Lots more coming.